In this video, I am going to show you how to track Uber Eats miles. The Uber driver app tracks the miles you spend online or the miles you drive with the app open. However, Uber Eats does not track the miles you spend offline. For that, you'll want to use a separate mileage tracking app. But if you want to check the status of your order, you can open the Uber Eats app and then tap on Account, then Orders. Select your current order and tap Track to view the status. Look for the description to understand its status. Once a delivery person is selected, a map appears showing their location. Track your delivery person's progress as they make their way to you. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.